thing, my dear friends. I always believe in either leading, following, or getting out of the way. Here, as an industry leader, today we are definitely very well accepted, not only in India. मैं खुद परेशान हुआ in Thailand. Where is Thailand? Where is India? And of course, today right now is only 3 hours flight, but then you have to merge with the society. People are so happy to associate themselves with the country club. That is the biggest happiest news. Country Club Vodafone, they know it's a brand that has withstood more than 36 years, and with 2 million members, I'm sure I think it's going to be a win-win-win situation for everybody, for the Country Club members, for the franchisee owners in the Far East, there is Phuket, Bangkok, and I'm sure I think going forward, I think there is a way forward. Our company has become zero debt. During this particular point of time, I don't think so. I mean, statistically speaking, only 3% of the people of the companies around the world have become zero debt and close the debts because we want to be a strong company and we are basically very strong. Thanks for all your support. But then we believe, fundamentally, we believe that it is a member satisfaction that gives me a more of an emotional support. I really don't worry about the money part of it because that's not my subject. My subject is to make sure, as a brand ambassador, to tell them this is skydiving, this is scuba diving, this is white river rafting, and this is parasailing. In fact, when I was doing parasailing recently, 3 days back in Phuket, a lot of people advised me not to go because of bad weather. But I felt that coming all the way, I should do it. And I said, anything for the country club. So I spent more than 35 years of my life only in country club, and I'm sure I understand their emotions and their respect and their love for me and the company. And I'm sure I think we are going to grow in a huge manner. Thank you.